Hi learners! Welcome to our Learning Math series. My name is Coach MJ and I'm from Tula and Tutor Ko. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung ano ang comparing dissimilar fractions. Ano kaya to? Sige, simulan natin. Imagine this. You and your friends are craving for burger. And to satisfy your cravings, dapat you get the best burger. And for you and your friends, the best burger is the burger with the most meat. So ngayon, meron kayong tatlong restaurant na pinagpipilian. Restaurant A, Restaurant B, and Restaurant C. Restaurant A sells 1/8 pound burgers. Ibig sabihin, the weight of the meat or the patty is 1/8 of a pound. Restaurant B here sells 1/4 pound burgers, while Restaurant C sells 1/2 pound burgers. So, how do we know which burger has the most patty? Huwag kayong mag-alala, tutulungan ko kayo gamit ang ating math magic. So ito ang tanong natin for today. Which burger has the most patty? In math terms, which is the biggest fraction? But before we start comparing fractions or patties, let me introduce you first to dissimilar fractions. Dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominators or different total number of parts. So 1/8, 1/4, and 1/2 are dissimilar fractions because they have different denominators. So how do we compare them? Let me show you. Step 1, draw a same size box for each fraction. We have 3 fractions, therefore we have to draw 3 boxes of the same size. So that's a box for 1/8, another box for 1/4, and another box for 1/2. Step 2. We have to divide each box into the same number of parts as the denominator. So the box for 1/8 will be divided into 8 equal parts. The box for 1/4 will be divided into 4 equal parts. And finally, the box for 1/2 will be divided into 2 equal parts. Finally, step 3, for each box, color as many parts as the numerator. And since our numerator for all the fractions is 1, we will shade 1 part in each box, like this. Now, the one with the most shade is the biggest fraction. And as we can see, 1/2 has the biggest shade, therefore, it is the biggest fraction. And since 1/8 has the smallest shade, it is the smallest fraction. And that's it. Comparing dissimilar fractions is simple as that. So let's go back to our question for today. Which burger has the most patty? It's Restaurant C with 1/2 pound burgers. Now, let's try answering this together. Magko-compare tayo ng tatlong dissimilar fractions, 2/4, 3/5, and 1/6. Now, what do we need to remember? Kailangan nating i-visualize ang fraction. And we need to remember that the denominator will tell us how many divisions should our boxes have. And our numerator will show how many boxes to shade. Bale, sa 2/4, 4 ang divisions at 2 ang shaded. Sa 3/5, 5 ang divisions at 3 ang shaded. For 1/6, 6 ang divisions and 1 ang shaded. And to get the final answer, we need to remember na yung fraction na may biggest shaded portion ay ang ating biggest fraction. So, that's right, it's 3/5. 3/5 has the biggest shade, therefore it is our biggest fraction among the 3. Good job! You finished watching our video about comparing dissimilar fractions from the Learning Math series. May natutunan ka ba? Gusto mo pang mag-level up? Click that bell button below to subscribe so you'll get notified of new videos. Pwede mo ring puntahan ang YouTube channel namin. Happy learning!